Welcome to episode 3, where we will be installing a roof terrace onto my van. So if you've ever considered converting a van, you will know that a roof rack costs upwards of like 2,000, 3,000 euros, and I'm definitely not having that. But I still want a spot on my van on the roof where I can hang out and enjoy a sunset with like at least one more person. So here's my low budget attempt at a roof rack. It's actually pretty hard to do this by yourself. So I had a friend help me install these. We've got all 4 on now. Put over it with water to check if it's watertight. It seems to be doing a pretty good job at keeping water out. Installing this thing was actually super easy. You just have to follow the instructions and definitely get a friend to help you. Now, I'm gonna put wood on this entire thing, but at the moment the wood prices have more than tripled due to Corona, which is insane. So as low budget as this episode is gonna be, I'm gonna delay putting wood on here and keep it like this for now. I might even put like a mattress in here or something at this point. Why not? Lots of people put ladders on the side of their van so they can get up quickly, which is good. But I thought about it, and imagine you're standing on a parking lot at night and some drunk guy climbs up onto your van, gets into your terrace, you wake up in the morning, start driving away, and have a person on top of your van. It definitely sounds like something that would happen to me, so here's what I came up with first. Now, this might look smart. Okay, now that I'm editing the video, I realize this looks like the opposite of a smart idea, so let's just forget I said that. This is a pull-out ladder, and this is gonna be the ladder for my van. Ich sehe die nicht.
Ich sehe auch nichts. Ich komme jetzt nicht mehr hoch. Kann ich vorne runter?
Nein, auf gar keinen Fall.
Du, ich sehe die nicht.
Du musst einfach fühlen. That's all for this episode. If you have any recommendations or ideas for this van, I'd love to hear them. And next time we're gonna get serious, install a roof vent and a window into this van. So until then, have a great day, and I'll see you soon.